Here's something you may have never seen before. Check this out at Unique Classic Cars. We've got a SHERP N, very, very capable off-road vehicle, registerable as a boat. You can take this thing and run it in the water, run it in a swamp. Right up here you can see this is a marker light for when you're using it on the water. This one has a lot of extras that aren't available on all of the SHERPs. This rear camper style door, which is very, very useful to hop right in it. You've got LED lighting. There's jump seats in the rear. Look at the size of those tires. 5-foot tires, basically. You deflate them and inflate them in the cab on demand. First one I've seen in person, I can tell you that much. LED lights, check out those lights on top. Sliding window. Like a boat, it has a bilge pump. This matte black exterior is also an added feature that's not a stock color. Just imagine taking this thing out with some buddies and running through whatever you want to run through with it. Again, this thing is equipped with 360-degree cameras on the outside that you can view from a screen on the inside. There's one of those cameras right there. Here's a view of the cockpit. A lot like a car, you've got an e-brake right there between the seats. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. See a shifter right there. There is a clutch pedal on the left, gas pedal on the right. And these two levers, think of it like driving a tank. You drive the left side forward or backwards, you drive the right side forward or backwards. And there's your screen. Look at the cameras, we've got that. 2-seater in the front. And in the back there are 3 jump seats on each side. You can see some folded up on the right side here. And under here, some storage. And as you're sitting in the back here in the jump seat, here's the heater control. Up above, heater and AC. You could sleep in this thing. You could take it out with your buddies and go hunting. There's room on the side here, I would say, for someone to lay. We have storage right here. Small storage compartment. You can even lay something across these seats and have a full bed surface. How cool is this thing? Take it out mudding, take it out in the snow. The most capable thing I've probably seen. And let's check out some of the controls in this beast. See what options we have inside.
Right here you have your power button to turn the unit on. You have your cab heater. As you come up to the unit here, you do have a key turn on, which then will boot up your main screen with all of your menu controls. If you end up going over to your keypads here, you have a switch here to turn on all your interior light switches. You have your headlight switches here that turn on the headlights. You do have a 4-way flasher here. You have your wipers and washer fluid here. You do have your onboard air system, which is fantastic because you can decrease and increase your tire pressures by these power button here, and you turn it right to lower the pressure, you turn it left to increase the pressure. You have your AC unit controls here. You have your cabin heater. You have your cabin lighting, which then gives you a nice ambient lighting here in the cab. You have your engine lights if you need to do any repairs out in the wilderness. You have your on-water lights for when the unit is on the water, because it does float. You have a light switch here. You have your fuel heating option. You have your water pump. If you have any water in the bilge area, you can pump that out. You have a reserve battery. You have your rear view camera, so when you flip this on, you can see it end up going to your main screen on this specific one for the back of the unit. And then if you go back up here to your switch control panel, you do have your defrost. You do have your front light bar that's extremely bright. And then you do have your rear and side lights that are LEDs as well. And then you do have your main battery, your reserve battery power sources here. You can see that they're on. And then also here's your tire pressure gauge. You get a nice readout of asphalt, dirt road, sand, swamp, snow, etc. You do have some USB plug-in ports here as well. You do have a couple up here, interior light button here as well. And then if you come back down here, if you end up flipping this power switch, this will turn your rear view camera on as well, and all of your side cameras and front camera of the unit. And then you can just power that switch off, and that turns it off. If you look above us, if you want to do some fishing or want some air in here, you can open up the hatchback, cast a reel out, or you can even hunt from it too, depending on what your DNR rules are.
You could take this out and live in the woods for a while if you felt like it. Capable of climbing a 35-degree incline. What do you say? Let's hear what it sounds like and check out some of the lights. This is, of course, a diesel, as you can tell. Lighting more than efficient and sufficient for your needs. In the back, we've got a rear LED, so you can see on the trail, see in the water. Turn signals, look at that. Modern LED turn signals. Cooling fan right here. Winter cooling and summer cooling fans. Don't miss your chance to get this machine. UniqueClassicCars.com. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. Here is that awesome machine in action. 2020 SHERP Model N. And remember, you can have your inspector come check out our vehicles. Third-party inspectors. We do consider trades, and financing is available. Backing up, going forward. Pushing that right lever a little harder, and that'll turn it to the left. Amazing capable machine here at Unique Classic Cars. Give us a call up